Do you want to get Disney Plus and Hulu together? There's a bundle for that, and it's super easy to set up. First, open your browser and go to the official Disney Plus or Hulu website. Log in and you will see the offers. Look for the Disney Plus Hulu bundle option. This includes Disney Plus and Hulu, but the other option includes ESPN Plus. So if you want that, you can click that one instead. Choose the bundle plan you want. There are a few options depending on whether you want ads or no ads. The bundle with ads is $12.99, while the one with no ads is $19.99. Enter your payment details, but first you must select whether you pay with credit or debit card or PayPal. Once that's done, click on Agree and Subscribe, and your bundle will be activated. Now you can log into Disney Plus and Hulu using the same account details and start watching right away. Quick tip, if you already have Hulu, you can upgrade to the bundle through your account settings instead of creating a new one. And that's it, you now have the Disney Plus bundle with Hulu. If this video helped you, leave a like or subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.